Okay, Adventure Village folks, we're on the way to Twin Falls up in the Pisgah Forest. It's about a 30-minute drive from Adventure Village, and we're about ready to take the Buckhorn Gap Trail across this really neat footbridge to head on up to the Twin Falls. Okay, we're continuing up to Twin Falls, and we're following along a beautiful creek here, and we come upon our third log crossing of the stream. And we're here in the wilds of the Blue Ridge. Well, and here's our fourth footbridge across Buckhorn Creek.
That's not Buckhorn Creek, Avery.
Okay, we're continuing on up to Twin Falls, and this is yet another beautiful footbridge across Avery Creek. This is kind of an interesting stair step on the way up to the falls. Okay, we're coming upon yet another log bridge to go across Avery Creek. We Adventure Village adventurers love these log bridges. This is Steve, your Adventure Village travel guide on yet another footbridge on the way to Twin Falls. Okay, we finally reached the turnoff to the Twin Falls Trail, about 1.7 miles into the journey. And if you look in the distance, and cameraman, if you can maybe even zoom in, on yet another footbridge on the way to Twin Falls. And away we go. One of the neatest things about this trip up to Twin Falls is all of the footbridges. We haven't snapped them all. Kevin Adams calls this the unnamed waterfall, and we're going to call it the waterfall before the Twin Falls. That's the Adventure Village name. All right, we finally made it up to Twin Falls, a 2.5 mile walk, and the falls feeds Avery Creek. And my cameraman is doing a much better video of this than I did on the first try. And we'll take a shot where the water tumbles down into Avery Creek. Okay, we've made it to the second of the Twin Falls. This is one of the highest falls we've seen in the more than 75 waterfalls we've been to in western North Carolina. And my videographer is taking an excellent shot of it here.